What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shifu token. Now, SHIFU is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Now, this token just came out 9 hours ago. It is trending #1 right now on Dex Screener in the Ethereum section, and has a market cap of $32 million. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Shifu token. So their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here, at Shifu_token, blue verified checkmark, 140 tweets. They just joined in November 2024, and they already have 35,100 Twitter followers. So very popular project. You can see the contract address is right on the Twitter there. You can also find it in their pinned tweet. And in their pinned tweet, it says, when TGE, the token generation event? Well, the time is now. Let's go. Shifu's era has begun. So it says pre-sale tokens airdrop. Check your wallet. So that's why, this token has a big market cap. That's why, there's a big following. That's why people are anticipating this token dropping, having their TGE. And that's why it's trending #1 right now, is because, it's had a big pre-sale. Very popular token. And it says the SHIB.io Army, claim your airdrops here. There's a link in the pinned tweet if you were involved in the pre-sale. You want to claim your tokens. It says liquidity pool. Tokens will firstly be available for trading on Uniswap. Deployment to ShibaSwap is coming soon. Calling all Shifu disciples. The dojo is open. Let's make history together. So if you weren't involved with the pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, first of all, this is an Ethereum meme coin. So this token is on the ETH blockchain. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with ETH. And you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap. And then you would trade your ETH for the Shifu token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter or in their pinned tweets, or on their webpage, shifutoken.com. On there, they do have a link to buy from Uniswap on the webpage, Tokenomics, claim button, info. All sorts of links. Even their socials are on here. There's a button that says explore. So it says Shibtopia's peace was shaken as whispers of Shadow Cat remnants, an unearthly power source, and a mysterious weapon of unknown origin spread, with sightings of shadow cats increasingly cracking the harmony across their system. Wow, there's like a huge like comic book type of story on here with all sorts of cool artwork on their webpage. You can check it out. It says a portal opened above the Shibtopia, revealing Shifu, master of all meme tokens, and Zun, warrior of imaginary world, armed with radiant wheel and magical gum to combat the shadow cats. Now, joining the forces with Shifu and Zun and their new powers, the Shib's Valiants launched a surprise offensive to thwart the shadow cats once more and reclaimed all that had been stolen, including the brand new source of power, the Shifu token. So it says now, Shifu token guarded by vigilantly by Shifu, Zun, and the Shib army stands as a symbol of resilience, triumph, and unity within the Shibtopia, as well as a brand new power unlocking new horizons. So on their webpage here, they do, if you click on Tokenomics, it takes you to a document section, docs.shifutoken.com. So you could go straight there if you want to learn more about the project. But it says 25% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool and central exchange listings. 15% goes to public presale. 30% goes to the community. 20% goes to the treasury. 10% goes to marketing. And there is a total supply, it says, of 100 billion tokens. Now, you can find this token here on Etherscan. And it says there's 18 decimal places on this token here. And right now they have 4,654 holders. And so, yeah, very popular token. Trending #1 right now. Just came out under 10 hours ago. And they have public presale information. You can learn more about their airdrops in their document section. There's all sorts of links there. They have a link to a Telegram you can follow at Shifu_disciples that has 2,442 subscribers. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates, new partnerships, token listing announcements, etc. And right now, this token here has 492.16 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 5.31 billion pooled Shifu tokens. Today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $10.8 million. Very popular project. And right now, they have $3.4 million in liquidity in Uniswap. And they are doing some marketing as well right now on Dex Screener. You can see the Marketing Boost 500 Lightning Bolt ad button live there. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.